Plant FAQs. Hoya Pachyclada. Hoya Pachyclada, a collector's dream with succulent flair. I'm Ferb Vu, and like many plant enthusiasts, I'm captivated by the unique beauty of Hoyas. Among them, the Hoya Pachyclada holds a special place in my collection. This stunning vine boasts an irresistible combination of succulent-like leaves and fragrant, star-shaped blooms. Today, I'm here to answer your burning questions about this captivating plant. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. What is Hoya Pachyclada? Hailing from the tropical forests of Thailand, Hoya Pachyclada is an epiphytic vine. In simpler terms, it thrives clinging to trees in its natural habitat. This unique characteristic translates to specific care requirements we'll explore later. The plant's most striking feature is undoubtedly its foliage. Unlike many Hoyas, Pachyclada boasts thick, fleshy, and oval-shaped leaves. Their waxy coating and plumpness give them a distinct succulent vibe, adding a textural element to any collection. But the beauty doesn't stop there. When mature, Hoya Pachyclada produces clusters of white, star-shaped flowers. These fragrant blooms, often compared to miniature pinwheels, add a touch of elegance to the already stunning foliage. Hoya Pachyclada versus Hoya Carnosa, a tale of two Hoyas. New Hoya enthusiasts often find themselves comparing Pachyclada to its more common cousin, Hoya Carnosa. Both are beautiful climbers with a love for bright, indirect light. However, some key differences set them apart. Leaves. Carnosa features the classic Hoya teardrop-shaped leaves, while Pachyclada boasts thick, oval-shaped foliage with a waxy coating. Growth rate. Carnosa is generally a faster grower compared to the slower-paced Pachyclada. Watering needs. Due to their succulent-like leaves, Pachyclada requires less frequent watering than Carnosa. Ultimately, the choice between these two Hoyas boils down to personal preference. Carnosa's rapid growth makes it ideal for those who enjoy a quick filling pot. Pachyclada, on the other hand, caters to those who appreciate a more sculpted, architectural plant with a touch of the unexpected. How to care for Hoya Pachyclada. Here's the good news. Hoya Pachyclada is a relatively low-maintenance plant, making it perfect for both seasoned collectors and beginners. Here are some key things to keep in mind. Light. Pachyclada thrives in bright, indirect light. South-facing windows with sheer curtains or filtered east-facing windows are ideal locations. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Remember, Pachyclada's succulent-like leaves store water. Water thoroughly only when the soil feels completely dry to the touch. Overwatering is a common culprit for root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial. Opt for a succulent or cactus mix, or create your own by combining regular potting soil with perlite or orchid bark for added drainage. Fertilizer. A balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied during the growing season, spring and summer, once a month. However, Pachyclada is not a heavy feeder, so less is always more. Humidity. While not strictly necessary, providing moderate humidity can encourage better growth and flowering. Grouping your Hoya Pachyclada with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help. Hoya Pachyclada, beyond the basics. Once you've mastered the basics, here are some additional tips to help your Hoya Pachyclada truly flourish. Support. As a vining plant, Pachyclada appreciates some support to climb and showcase its cascading beauty. A moss pole, trellis, or hanging basket are all excellent options. Temperature. Maintain comfortable room temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius, for optimal growth. Blooming. Mature Hoya Pachyclada plants reward patient owners with fragrant, star-shaped flowers. While blooming can be unpredictable, ensuring proper light, avoiding stress, and maintaining consistent watering practices can increase your chances of witnessing this spectacular display. Conclusion. Why choose Hoya Pachyclada? Hoya Pachyclada offers a unique combination of succulent charm and classic Hoya elegance. Its low-maintenance nature and captivating beauty make it a prized possession for collectors of all levels. So, if you're looking for a conversation-starting plant that adds a touch of the unexpected to your indoor jungle, look no further than the captivating Hoya Pachyclada. With its architectural foliage, fragrant blooms, and manageable care requirements, This delightful vine is sure to become a cherished member of your plant family.